Hello students, now we are going to see exercise 3.1 objective type questions. Question number 10. The product of 7p cube and 2p square the whole square is. So we must multiply these two values. So 7p cube into 2p square the whole square. Look here, 2p square the whole square means this square is common for 2, so 2 square, so 4, and this square is common for p square, so p square the whole square, so p power 4. So we should multiply 7 and 4. 7 into 4, 28, and we must multiply p cube and p power 4 also. I have said already, base same means we may add the powers. So 3 plus 4, 7. Okay, so 28 p power 7. So where is that? Yes, B. So answer B. Next, 11th one. The missing terms in the product minus 3 m cube n into 9 dash is equal to dash m power 4 n cube. Okay, look here, minus 3 into 9, what is that? Minus 27. So here minus 27 will come. Next, m cube, here we must apply some m value. Here we should get m power 4. So what value here we must apply? Okay, when we apply m square, what will happen? M cube into m square. M power 3 plus 2. What is the 3 plus 2? 5. But here m power 4 we need. So m power 1. So simply m. Next, n into here n square. So that when we add here 1 and here 2, so 1 plus 2, 3. So m n square. Here m n square will come. Here minus 27 will come. So subdivision, sorry, answer D. Next, twelfth one. If the area of a square is 36 x power 4 y square, then its side is dash. What is the side? We don't know, so take it as x. Let the length of its side be x. The area of a square is 36 x power 4 y square. We know what is the area of square. The formula side square. Here we take x is our side, so x square is equal to 36 x power 4 y square, taking square root on both sides. So here 2 will be cancelled, so 1. Here the whole power 1 by 2. What do you know about 36? 36 means 6 square, so 6 square power 1 by 2, 6. X power 4 power 1 by 2 x square, y square power 1 by 2 y. The cancelling the powers we have seen already in last year. So x equal to 6 x square y. So answer C. Thirteenth one. If the area of a rectangle is 48 m square n cube and whose length is 8 m n square, then its breadth is dash. The area of a rectangle is 48 m square n cube. What is the area of rectangle? The formula L into B, length into breadth, equal to 48 m square n cube. Length is given already, 8 m n square into B equal to 48 m square n cube, and move 8 m n square as a denominator, right side denominator. So 48 m square n cube divided by 8 m n square. So when we cancel 48 by 8, 6 will come. Here cancel, m will come, and n cube by n square, n will come. So 6 m n, answer A. Next, 14th one. If the area for rectangular land, here the shape, the rectangular land is a square minus b square square units, whose breadth is a minus b, then its length is dash. The area of rectangle is is equal to a square minus b square. The area of a rectangle, the formula length into breadth, a square minus b square. This is algebraic identity. What is the formula of a square minus b square? That is equal to a plus b, a minus b. Next, breadth value given a minus b, so apply here. And next step, move a minus b as a right side denominator. Here multiplication. When we move the opposite side, it will be division. So a minus b will be cancelled. So L equal to a plus b. So answer B. Okay children, bye. See you next class.